camera. There's a 13MP camera on the back of the Honor 7A, and during our short time with the phone we were able to capture a few shots. Quality is okay, but nothing more than that. For social media sharing, the camera on 7A should suffice, but it's not going to give you high-quality shots that you'll necessarily want to share or large, high-resolution displays. Meanwhile, on the front of the phone, an 8MP camera is joined by Honor's Smart Soft Light LED, giving you a way to improve the lighting of your selfies. This improves the quality of low-light shots, and Honor has identified that most selfies are taken after 8 p.m., when light is generally harder to come by. We'll be putting both cameras through their paces in our in-depth review, so you'll have to wait for our findings to see how they fare in real-world scenarios. The Honor 7A is a cheap, cheerful Android smartphone that has a couple of surprising features considering its low price tag. It may struggle with more intensive tasks, but for those looking for a low-cost handset with the fancy biometrics more expensive devices boasts, the 7A is a genuine contender.